Dear student, today we will discuss in the chapter acid, bases and salts. Firstly, we are discuss bases. Okay. Dear student, bases is the metal oxide. Metal oxide and metal hydroxide is known as base. Metal oxide and metal hydroxide is known as base. For example, you know that calcium is a metal and their oxide is known as base. So CaO, calcium oxide is known as base. Sodium is a metal and their oxide is a base. And Na2O, copper is a metal and their oxide is base. So here CuO is a base. Dear student, here sodium hydroxide, metal hydroxide is a base. Calcium is a metal, so their hydroxide is base. You write and more examples related to the base, metal oxide and metal hydroxide in your graph. Okay. Dear student, aqueous solution of bases dissociate means break to give OH minus ion, that is hydroxide ion. OH minus ion is known as hydroxide ion. Dear student, when you dissolve base in water, then the molecule of base, atoms present in the bases dissociate into their ions as like hydroxide ion. For example, here NaOH, that is base, on dissolving water, it convert into Na plus and OH minus. It means sodium hydroxide on dissolving in water means aqueous solution, it dissociate into their hydroxide ion. Here aqueous means water solution. Okay student. Here calcium hydroxide on dissolving in water, it also dissociate into the hydroxide ion. Okay student. So it is the behaviors of base. Dear student, very important terms, that is alkalis. Dear student, alkalis is also a base, but we don't say all bases alkali, because alkali is the base which is soluble in water. Water soluble base, only water soluble base is known as alkali. But bases are all metal oxide and hydroxide is known as base, but metal oxide or hydroxide which is soluble in water is known as base as well as alkalis. But bases which do not dissolve in water is only known as base, but don't say alkali. Okay students, as example here OH, KOH, potassium hydroxide, CaOH twice, that is calcium hydroxide, NaOH, that is potassium hydroxide, NH4OH, that is ammonium hydroxide, are dissolved in water. So we say that alkalis, but CuOH twice, that is cupric hydroxide, FeOH thrice, that is ferric hydroxide, AOH thrice, that is aluminium trihydroxide, is not dissolved in water. So don't say alkali, but say base. It means all oxide and hydroxide are base, but all bases are not alkalis. Bases which dissolve in water is known as alkalis, and bases which do not dissolve in water don't say alkalis. Okay student. Dear student, in soap, toothpaste and antacid contain base. Okay student, soap contain base, toothpaste also contain base, In toothpaste, base decrease the acidity or maintain the pH of our mouth and protect our teeth from tooth decay. And antacid used for maintain stomach pH. In case of acidity, the pH of gastric juice is decreases and became more and more acidic. For maintain their pH, we drink antacid because antacid contain base. It decrease the acidity of the stomach. Okay, student. Now discuss preparation of base. How do base are prepared? Dear students, base first condition, base prepared by direct union of metal and oxygen. When metal directly react with oxygen, like sodium metal. Dear student, sodium metal are metals which react with moisture and air vigorously and catch fire. Due to this, it kept in kerosene oil. Okay, student, for the protecting from air and moisture. When you put the sodium metal in air, it catch fire and make a compound that is sodium oxide. Dear student, sodium oxide is a metal oxide which is obtained by the direct union of metal and oxygen. So it is the method of formation sodium oxide, and sodium oxide is a base because it is metal oxide. So we say that metal oxide means base is obtained by the direct union of metal and oxygen. Next example, here calcium. Calcium metal react with oxygen in air and convert into calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is a metal oxide. Metal oxide is known as base. So here the formation of base by direct union of metal and oxygen. Okay, student. Now discuss next point. Dear student, the oxide formed here react with water and form metal hydroxide. Metal oxide react with water, convert into metal hydroxide. Like sodium oxide react with water, form sodium hydroxide. When calcium oxide react with water, is formed calcium hydroxide. Okay, student. So it is the reason for saying metal oxide is a base because metal oxide react with water form base. Okay, student. Next point, preparation of base by the heating carbonate of the some metals, as like here calcium carbonate, that is metal carbonate. When we heat calcium carbonate, it produces carbon dioxide and we obtain calcium oxide, that is a metal oxide, is known as base. Here zinc carbonate. Dear student, zinc carbonate is a metal carbonate. When we heat the zinc carbonate, it produces carbon dioxide, that is gas, and generate ZnO, zinc oxide, that is metal oxide, and metal oxide is known as base. Here the method of formation of base. In next lecture we discuss property of base. Dear student, take a screenshot of the given content on the whiteboard and write down in your notebook and read the NCERT book. Thank you very much.